What's going on, interweb? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 to $250 or more just speaking. Hey, it's Kevin. I'm back with a new video. This channel, if you're new here, I like to talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and reviewing my favorite products and services. So if you don't want to miss any opportunities, I invite you to hit the subscribe button and bell notification so you never miss a video. And one more thing, I'm having a giveaway when I get to 500 subscribers. That book, YouTube Secrets, I'm giving away for free. All you have to do is be a subscriber, like, and comment on any one of my videos, and you'll be entered to win. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'll give you another bonus on how to start an online business part-time from the comfort of your own home. So let's dive in. Today we're gonna go to voices.com. It is the world's #1 marketplace for voiceover, and you can sign up for free. It's used by the most trusted brands in the world, like Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, Bell, GoDaddy, Crisco, and Hulu. So if you want to be Mike Rowe, this is the place to go. How it works? Ding. Voices.com is an online marketplace that connects buyers of voiceovers with over 200,000 voice talent. When a job is posted on Voices.com, talent sends an audition and an estimated quote to complete the work. Clients can listen to the auditions, select their preferred talent, and begin work on the job. It's that simple. They post a job, select your voice actor, download your files, get paid. Unlimited free job postings, auto match with talent, private messaging, and protected payments. Here's how you join. Click sign up. You want to select work as a voice actor. Enter in your full name and email and click next. Then you'll be asked to enter your phone number, enter a username, and a password. This is a secure site. Thousands and thousands and thousands of people use it. Trust me, go for it, it's free. Once your account is created, you're gonna go up to here, under jobs, and click hiring. This is where the rubber meets the road, where you can sign up for all of your auditions. Here on the right, you'll see what the hiring is. So to learn more about these jobs, click on the plus sign on the right, and the details will pop down. This one's for male, young adult, 18 to 35, business category, word count of 450, and it's 3 minutes of finished work, and they're paying $100. It's $100, 3 minutes of quality work. Voice mascot, $500 to $749. Let's click on that. This is for 4 minutes and 40 seconds of finished work. 4 minutes and 40 seconds for $500. Doesn't take much time to start making some big bank with this. Dutch accent. This one here, $100 to $249, 32 seconds. So this is a pretty sweet career choice if you want to go down this road. But I want to give you a bonus, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, on how you could start an online business part-time from the comfort of your own home. Because maybe you want to generate some passive income. You don't want to spend all of your time talking and doing these voiceovers. Maybe there's time in between gigs and you want more consistent money, or you want to have multiple streams of income. So I'm going to show you how you can do that right now. First thing you need to do is go to my website, kevinjpino.com. I'm giving away a free video for anyone who wants to start an online business but does not know where to begin. All you do is enter in your name and email, and then you'll be sent to a confirmation page where you have to confirm your email or you cannot see the next page. You can't. So enter in your email, go into your email, click the confirm email in there, and it'll send you to this page. Well, I'll introduce you to the opportunity, a little bit more about myself. It's just a minute long, no time at all. Click the button down below and I'll invite you to that challenge where you'll meet my mentor, Dave, on how you'll actually learn how to grow this business from home. And what's great is you can get started for as little as $7. And someday, if we meet in person, maybe I'll buy you a coffee and give you that $7 back. When you click this button, it'll take you to this training video. Watch that video and get started today. Go do that now. If you're still hanging around here, what you should be doing is clicking on the video on the screen and watching some more of my content to hopefully bring you some more value. And if you didn't subscribe, my little circle face right there is the button that you want to click on to subscribe so you can catch the next video when it comes out. Don't forget to comment to be entered into the contest.